Here is the 3 steps I would recommend anyone to do in their lawn first thing in the spring. Let's go.
Welcome to
The longest yard.
My name is Jeff.
You know a lot about golf.
I know even more about grass.
You just pull landscaping duty.
Keep our composure! You guys ever need fertilizer? I've got a lot of it.
Let the master show you how to get it done.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Yeah, it's not as easy as it looks.
Better luck next year.
Then let's get to work.
All right.
Oh, we made it. We're in spring. Temperatures are coming up. Soil temperatures are not quite yet. Step number 1, get a soil test. You need to do a soil test. If you're not doing a soil test, what are you doing?
Better luck next year.
A soil test will tell you exactly what you're deficient in your soil. That way you can choose the best fertilizer to use. That way your grass grows the best.
It's science.
Do a soil test, step number 1. Step 2, I would recommend raking your lawn, getting some oxygen down to that soil so your grass has a little bit easier time waking up and starting to grow. Rake, you could do a little light dethatching, nothing crazy. And then of course, step 3, and that is to get your lawnmower ready for the spring. Get your blades sharpened. If you didn't do it last year, now's the time to sharpen them. Get your lawnmower running good, top it off with some gas. Always use non-ethanol. Make sure your oil is topped off and start her up. And then I would recommend just doing a nice pass over after you've raked, after you've dethatched maybe, doing a nice pass over and just picking up all the leaves and pine needles and kids' toys that were left out in the yard. Pick all that up with your mower. Then you'll have a nice clean slate for when the temperatures start coming up and you can really start cracking down on mowing and fertilizer. Speaking of fertilizer, the first application that I'm going to be doing this year is a barricade from Anderson's Lawn. I'm up here in the Pacific Northwest. The soil temperatures are still low, 38, 37. We're not even close to the 50-degree mark. 50 to 55 is when you want to apply your pre-emergent. If you apply it too early, it will not be effective when the weeds actually start germinating and getting up. Wait for those soil temperatures to be around 50 for a couple days in a row. You start looking at the weather, seeing a trend upwards, then you can apply your pre-emergent. With the barricade from Anderson's, it already has fertilizer in it, so that will be your first application of fertilizer. A nice little 18% nitrogen, 4% potassium. I do not need any phosphorus in my soil because I did a soil test and I know that I'm very high in phosphorus. The other pre-emergents you can use, tenacity. Tenacity is a great one if you're planning on overseeding this spring. Use tenacity, it's safe for your grass seed and it will kill all the other weed seeds along with it. The other one is prodiamine. You can use prodiamine if you're not overseeding. To everyone who's struggling with weeds, the weeds start germinating at 50 to 55 degrees, so you can stop them before they start. That way you don't have to do the Scots, weed and feed when you start seeing the weeds. They're not going to pop up at all. Pre-emergent is the way to go. Other projects I have going on this year, I'm going to make my putting green at least 3 times bigger.
3 times bigger than this.
It only makes sense. I'm going to be getting into golf a lot more this year. I'm addicted. I'm a full-blown dimplehead. I'm all in on golf. Other projects also include fixing some bare areas, sand leveling. I've got lots of stuff coming this year. I plan on posting a lot more videos. I'm going to be trying to post a couple times a month, 3 times a month. That way I can get you guys some information. Comment below what you guys want to see up here in the Pacific Northwest. We're built a little different. Our season is a lot later than everyone else and our grass grows a little bit differently, so follow along if you haven't already, and I'm going to show you guys how to maintain a healthy, luscious lawn. Thanks for following along. I'll see you in the lawn, or I'll see you on another time.